Alright traders, welcome to the Morning Glory Update. It's Stu Napan here, founder of Master Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. As you can see over here, Morning Glory at the moment, it's nearing its target over here. And actually the target box is also highlighting up at 30.78. We are just a little bit under 800 pounds up at the moment. So waiting for the last 8 pips, 7-8 pips. Do remember traders, at this very moment is so critical that you just keep focusing on your risk, because everything that you're seeing over here is totally unrealized, and the one main focus you got to have is your target failure mechanisms. What do you do at this particular point? Where do you highlight the zones? Where would you look at not holding on or not waiting on anymore to take your profits? So this is all very critical. At the moment, I've just split the 1 hour bar into a 30-minute time frame is what I've done over here. Just click it back into the 1 hour once again. And that's what you have, just looking at suitable places to trail my stop loss. Okay, I'm just going to put all the zones in onto my chart so that I can risk manage this properly. I will resume the recording once again to see you all how it happened with this trade. Okay, alright traders, so you can see over here the trade is hovering around this area. Our target is at 30.78 today, and we are looking at this green line, this zone, to pass through. If it passes through that at 30.73, then our time clock will start clicking in to see to exit that trade if it doesn't hit it within that 5 minutes. Now, those are the rules that we've got in terms of our target failure mechanism rules. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at into this trade, and it's closing out its exit mechanisms. So let's see, it is getting very near to that now. It has crossed through that area and region. Now let me just quickly just analyze that in real time for you at 30.73. Yes, so in the close of this 5-minute bar is what I will be looking to get out. Okay, now the low of this one here is 130.67 is what we have at the moment over here. So I will look to get our trailing stop loss mechanism quite tight as well. Okay, so I'll be observing all of this into the next 5 minutes, the next 4 minutes actually. All right. So traders, as you can see over here, I've trailed my stop loss now to 130.68. So I do not want to give any more less than that in terms of our giving back to the market, in terms of getting to this target over here, right, at 130.78 at the moment. So let me just quickly now check where the high of that bar is. At the moment is 130.77. Now hit our target, and that's that for us. Okay, and we banked in, easily 940 pounds 51, just a little less than 1,000 pounds. Okay, just a little less than 1,000 pounds, traders. That's what we have at the moment. Now what I want you all to understand and see over here is that not just that we've hit our target, that's not the point over here, but how we follow our rules and we track our rules, and according to time based as well. Okay, time is a very critical factor that you must be considering as well. Okay, traders, now it's all got to be statistically validated as well according to your parameter set. This is all so very critical. All right. In terms of what are the additional points I want to tell you all over here is, I think, a couple of points. The first point, what you saw as we hit the target, is firstly, it's unrealized as it was getting to the target. So greed shouldn't come in, just only your execution of your plan of what you should be doing on target failure mechanism points. Okay, so firstly, it's unrealized reward or the profit that you're seeing over there, so therefore your only focus should only be on your risk and how you should be trailing your stop loss. Next, your target failure mechanism rules, which a very important point of it should be time based. And the third point, what you saw as we banked in the profit, your strategy must include your power parameters, your power reward to risk ratio is what I'm looking for. The power reward to risk ratio, okay? As you can see, with the Morning Glory, we'll have taken small losses, but one big win, which is how your strategy must be designed to, should be able to override all the losses, okay, is what we are looking for. So you can see over here, very small losses over here, 299, and you can see 436. All that can be just overridden just by one big chunky profit. Okay, that's what we are looking for, and aligning ourselves to the four outcomes of a trade, which is a big win, small loss, or big loss. We don't want big losses. That's what we avoid over here. And all I need is just 1-2 good runs. I can push the whole strategy equity curve to positive territory. All right, traders. So that's pretty much that from us. Thanks for all joining us and seeing us on this wonderful day where we have hit our full target point at just less than £1,000 profit. All right, so that's all from me for today. As we say, until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.